Welcome to my channel Tech Reviews, where inspiration meets innovation. Whether you're here to learn, explore, or connect, you're in the right place. Are you looking for the best 360 dash cam in 2025? Here are my full reviews of the best 360 dash cam in 2025. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. Introducing the 360 dash cam front and rear inside, 2025 edition, the ultimate 4-channel car camera system designed for complete driving protection. This advanced dash cam captures every angle with its 2.5K front camera and three 1080p lenses covering the rear, interior, and sides, ensuring full 360-degree surveillance of your vehicle. Equipped with super night vision technology, it delivers crystal-clear video even in low-light or nighttime conditions. The built-in GPS module accurately records your driving route, speed, and location data, while the 5G Wi-Fi connectivity allows instant access to recordings through your smartphone. Its loop recording function automatically overwrites old footage, so you never have to worry about running out of storage. The G-sensor detects sudden impacts and locks crucial clips for evidence in case of an accident. Perfect for rideshare drivers, families, and daily commuters, this 360 dash cam provides unmatched safety, security, and peace of mind, day or night. Experience cutting-edge protection with the 2025 4-channel 360 car camera, your intelligent driving companion for the road ahead. Number 2. The FREEXAR 4K 360 degrees dash cam is an advanced, 4-channel dash camera designed to provide complete protection and peace of mind on the road. Featuring 4K Ultra HD resolution, it captures crystal-clear video from every angle, front, rear, left, right, and inside, ensuring no blind spots and total driving coverage. Its built-in GPS accurately records your driving route and speed, while the 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi and companion mobile app allow you to view, download, and share footage instantly. With superior night vision technology, the FREEXAR dash cam delivers sharp and detailed images even in low-light conditions, making it perfect for nighttime driving. The voice control function lets you operate the camera hands-free, keeping your focus on the road. Designed for reliability, it features loop recording, G-sensor emergency lock, and parking monitoring to safeguard your vehicle around the clock. Whether you're a daily commuter, rideshare driver, or road trip enthusiast, the FREEXAR 4K 360 degrees dash cam offers ultimate clarity, convenience, and safety, capturing every moment with unmatched precision and confidence. Number 3. Experience complete road coverage and crystal-clear recording with the Roadwitness 4K 360 degrees dash cam. Designed for maximum protection, this 4-channel dash camera captures footage from the front, rear, and inside your vehicle, ensuring no moment goes unseen. With its true 4K Ultra HD resolution, you'll enjoy stunning image clarity day or night. Equipped with IR night vision, the Roadwitness provides sharp interior recordings even in low-light conditions, perfect for rideshare drivers and long-distance travelers. Its built-in GPS accurately tracks your route and speed, while the 5.8G Wi-Fi connectivity allows instant video transfer to your smartphone via the dedicated app. The G-sensor detects sudden impacts, automatically locking critical footage for accident evidence. Thanks to 24/7 parking monitoring, your car stays protected even when you're away. You can also control the dashcam hands-free using voice commands, making driving safer and more convenient. The package includes a 128 GB high-speed memory card, so you can start recording right out of the box. With the Roadwitness 4K 360 degrees dashcam, you get peace of mind, smart technology, and full coverage every mile of the journey. Number 4. Experience complete driving protection with the C4 Pro 4-channel 360 degrees dash camera, designed to capture every angle around your vehicle. Equipped with advanced STARVIS 2 eMMC 675 sensors, this dash cam delivers stunning 2.7K front, 2K interior, and 1080p dual-side video quality for crystal-clear recordings day or night. Its 360 degrees coverage ensures that no detail goes unnoticed, ideal for daily driving, rideshare drivers, and road trips. With 5G Wi-Fi connectivity, you can instantly view or download footage to your smartphone, while the built-in GPS *** accurately records your speed and route. The voice control feature allows for hands-free operation, enhancing safety and convenience on the road. The infrared, IR, night vision ensures clarity in low light, and the optional CPL filter minimizes glare for better visibility. Compact and sleek, the C4 Pro installs easily and provides peace of mind with reliable evidence in case of incidents. Stay protected, connected, and in control with the C4 Pro 360 degrees dash camera, your intelligent road companion. Number 5. The ASDOME 360 degrees 4-channel dash cam is a cutting-edge car camera system designed to provide complete protection and visibility from every angle. Featuring 4 channels, front, rear, and side, and left-right, it captures true 360 degrees coverage in crisp 2K plus 1080p3 resolution, ensuring no blind spots on the road. The built-in 128GB eMMC storage offers reliable, high-speed data saving without the need for external memory cards. Equipped with advanced voice control, the ASDOME 4-channel dash cam allows hands-free operation for a safer driving experience. Its 5G Wi-Fi connectivity makes it easy to view, download, and share footage directly through your smartphone. Designed for both day and night performance, it delivers clear, detailed recordings even in low-light conditions. Ideal for rideshare drivers, fleet vehicles, and everyday commuters, the ASDOME 360 degrees dash cam enhances safety, security, and peace of mind. With sleek design, automatic loop recording, and built-in GPS tracking, it's the ultimate all-in-one dash camera solution for modern drivers who demand complete coverage and reliability on every journey.